Welcome to the Sky Watching Awareness Meditation. Find a comfortable position and let your body settle. This meditation is a gentle reminder that your thoughts are not you, they are just clouds passing across a much bigger sky. And that sky, the calm, the steady, spacious sky, is you. Take a smooth breath in and a soft breath out. Let the sky open within you. Imagine yourself lying on soft grass, looking up at the wide open sky. It stretches endlessly in every direction, blue, peaceful, and beautifully spacious. Feel your body settle as you take it in, and as your body relaxes more and more with each breath. Let this truth rise quietly. I am the sky. I am the sky. I am the sky. Feel this truth in your entire body. Now notice the first cloud drifting across the blue. Maybe it's small or slow or a little heavy. This cloud is like a thought passing through, changing shapes, never staying. Watch it float without needing to chase it. Whisper inwardly, thoughts are just passing clouds. Another cloud moves across the sky, maybe brighter, softer, lighter. Each one comes and each one goes. The sky never tries to stop them. The sky never becomes them. The sky simply holds space. Feel that spaciousness open inside you. Soft, wide, gentle. Let this affirmation settle into your breath. I am spacious, calm, and clear. I am spacious, calm, and clear. I am spacious, calm, and clear. Now imagine a gentle breeze. It moves slowly, carrying all the heavier clouds away. Not forcing, not rushing, just letting go. Feel the breeze inside you, a little loosening, a little lighter, a soft release. Say to yourself, I let go without holding on. Sense the sky clearing, more blue appearing, more openness, more freedom. And notice the simple truth. Stillness doesn't arrive from effort, it arrives when nothing is held too tightly. Let that be your final affirmation. Stillness is always available to me. Stillness is always available to me. Stillness is always available to me. Breathe into it. Light, open, peaceful. Begin to sense your body again. Your breath, your hands, your feet. The sky is still within you, wide and steady. Take one slow breath in and release gently out. When you are ready, open your eyes with the same spaciousness you felt in the sky above you. You carry that openness with you now. Thanks for meditating with me.